everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Aditi and I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you something about your underarms, how to keep them clean and how you can remove the dark spots and pigmentation, darkness over your underarms. So this is like a highly requested video. I received a lot of requests on YouTube comments, on Instagram, that they really want me to shoot a video on how to make your underarms clean. In fact, I had a poll on Instagram and there was like 96% of you said yes and only 4% were like no.
The 4% must be some boy, I believe. So yeah.
So in today's video, I'm going to tell you two home remedies which you can really use to make your underarms clean. And what I do is, I do both these remedies twice a week. Like one week I do one remedy, another week I do another remedy. And it really helps me. Like this is like my personal experience and it really helped me a lot. So if you want to know how to keep your underarms clean, then please continue watching. Right, so the ingredients that you need for the remedy number 1 is 4 tablespoons of raw milk, kacha doodh, and I am mixing 2 tablespoons of baking soda. So I have mixed 2 tablespoons of baking soda in this 4 tablespoons of raw milk. Then you will need 1 tablespoon of this aloe vera gel. After that, 1 tablespoon of this coconut oil. That's it, and now mix them well. So now when I have mixed it, so it would be somewhat like this, a thick paste. So the coconut oil that I have added in this mixture will give nourishment and moisturize your underarms. Baking soda that I have added in this will act like whitening agent. Aloe vera will soothe your underarms because that area is really delicate. And raw milk has also a really good property of whitening your underarms. So first you will be needing like a towel handkerchief. Dip it into hot water and first wipe off your underarms. This will help to open up your pores. Now I'm going to apply this paste. So you can use any spatula to apply this, but I'm using the back of the spoon. And you have to apply a thick paste of it. Alright, so now when you have applied it, you have to massage it a little. So when you have done a massage for good 3 to 4 minutes, let it dry, let it sit like this for 15 minutes and then I'll be right back. Alright, so now I have wiped off that paste. So yes, this remedy is really helpful and I will surely recommend you all to use this remedy. And now for remedy number 2, the ingredients that you will need is, first you just have to wipe it with hot water to open up your pores. Next you will be needing a toothpaste, the white one,
Which only has peppermint, no salt, no bubble, no other ingredients, please.
and you must have seen this kind of remedy in many videos because this is really very effective. So what you have to do is you have to apply a thick paste. So basically the peppermint present in Colgate is really very effective in brightening up your dark areas. So yes, leave it for 5 minutes and then I'll tell you what you have to do. Alright guys, so it's been 5 minutes and it has dried out. So now what you have to do is dip your towel again into water and gently wipe it off. And please girls, do not be harsh on your skin because this area is like really delicate. And if you do it like this, it will going to irritate your skin. So just go in dabbing motions, like just pat dry it. So once you are done with this, the next step is, yes, there is one more step. You have to take 2 tablespoons of this raw milk, add some baking soda into it, and now mix it well. So it won't be like as thick as you have applied the paste, it would be something like this. So use it as a toner. Dip a cotton pad in this. Get rid of excess and now apply it like this. So once you have applied it, wait for 5 minutes and then I'll tell you what you have to do. Alright guys, so it's been 5 minutes now and now next step is you have to take half lemon like this, squeeze it a little to get juice on its upper layer and now rub it onto your skin. So the lemon really helps to deep clean your pores, and for those girls who have sensitive skin like me, I also have really sensitive skin, you have to apply aloe vera after you use all these things. because sometimes it really, irritates your skin. But don't be afraid. It is just the lemon. And now take your aloe vera gel and moisturize it. And you are done. So how amazing it is that you can easily get these ingredients in your kitchen and you can easily use them to get rid of any darkness under your arms. And trust me guys, this is really helpful. What I do is I follow one remedy for 1 week and another remedy, the toothpaste one, in another week. I go on alternate basis and this really helped me. Like I have been using this for 2 or 3 years I believe, and it really helped me because I am like really very particular about my underarms, my elbows, my knees. I don't want them to be like, I can't see them dark. So I follow it regularly on weekly basis. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and this is kind of helpful for you. If it is, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to see me in any other video, if there is any other recommendation, then also let me know in the comment section below. Give this video a big thumbs up please, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And I'll see you in my next video.